Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad that I got, but before we just dive into the iPad and the mini review that I'm gonna do, I just wanted to sort of talk about like where I got this from, just because I know they are super backed up on the Apple website. So I did pick mine up from Best Buy, though I did have to drive 45 minutes away to get it. That's where I got mine. I got mine from at Best Buy, and I know they're also in stock on Amazon, I believe, but I just decided to do Best Buy and then do a curbside pickup order. So that's where I got mine. So definitely check your Best Buy or other tech stores that might have them. I also know my Best Buy had some used ones as well. So if you want to just look into buying one that has been pre-owned before, and that might make finding one a little bit easier. I just wanted to address that quickly because I know when I was trying to order mine, I didn't really want to wait until September just because I'm starting school before then, and I wanted to have this by the time I started school. So definitely check out Best Buy, Amazon, and whatever other tech store might be in your area as well. But without further ado, let's get into let's get into the unboxing and the mini review so that you guys can see what's all happening on my iPad. I will say I'm kind of basic with my iPad usage. I'm not really like super techy. I basically use it for school. So I'm just going to show you the features that I personally cared about when purchasing this iPad. I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna just get straight into the unboxing. So I bought the wrong iPad case. It was the right size, but for the wrong generation. so scared it's gonna fall off. Oh. I'm gonna try and put on the screen protector. This isn't my strong suit. I anticipate messing up. This is a like paper-like one. I'm not sure if this is like the actual paper-like one that they want, or like the girlies show on the gram. Not the gram, in YouTube. What the heck? So in the bag you get a 1-year warranty. So I have 2 of them. Oh my god, I love when they come with this. Are there directions? Put your tablet on the 2 anti-skidding mats. Use wet wipe to clean the screen and microfiber cloth to dry it. It says use the wet wipe. Oh, here they are. Here they are. So these anti-slide mats aren't really doing much, but I also have a unique surface here. We're gonna dry her with the microfiber towel. Okay, she's looking brand new. Put 3 stickers on back of tablet. Notice to ensure that half the stickers sticks on the tablet. Girl, these directions are complicated. These directions are not easy. Okay, does this apply to me? Because I already have the, am I supposed to take the case off? Huh? Wait. Huh. Okay. Align the protector with the screen. With the side marked 1, film face the screen. I don't know why I'm reading these directions like I'm illiterate. Okay, so the directions are unclear. I need reassurance. So we're here. We're here. We're here. Uncover the fixed screen protector. Which one is the fixed screen protector? I don't understand. This is Tech for Dummies. Hold the screen protector to keep it from attaching to the screen. Y'all, I'm not going cap. I don't see how this is supposed to work. What? Oh my god. This is so bad. So there's air bubbles. We knew that though. We knew that was gonna happen. No part of me doubted that there was gonna be air bubbles in this. Alright, whatever. Yeah, I would definitely say this feels like paper. I'm a happy Gail. All right, so let's get into the actual content of the iPad. I love how bright the colors are, and this is just me fooling around with the Notability app. This is what I used to take my in-class notes, and I'm just using the Apple Pencil and holding it a little differently to see how the pen strokes show up, because I don't always hold my pencil the same when I write. And actually, one of my favorite features about the Notability app is that it is just one continuous page, and you can easily write and draw over the page breaks, and when you export it, it doesn't look choppy. And 9 times out of 10, I write my notes using this magnifying zoomed in feature. I don't really know what to call it, but it just allows me to write more zoomed in and make sure that I'm writing in a straight line, because if I don't use this, my notes will be super slanted. So that's my favorite feature of the Notability app, actually. Also, when I synced my iPad, all of my old notes actually transferred over, which I wasn't completely expecting, but these are just some old econ notes that I took last semester. And you can also import PowerPoints into the Notability app. I'm not a fan of it, but it is a nice feature. And I also love the little GIF add-ons that you can put onto your notes if you want it to be a little bit more creative. I personally don't do this, but you can also type notes within the Notability app if you wanted to use an iPad case that had a keyboard on it. The speaker sound quality is also great.
We're inviting my family to Oscar Proud.
Your family? Whose bright idea was that?
And my most used feature between my iPad and MacBook is the split screen capabilities, or the sidecar, whatever you want to call it. I love doing this just to add a bit more screen real estate and having that dual monitor setup. Since my MacBook does have the touch bar, everything that I have bookmarked on my touch bar does carry over to my iPad when I use the sidecar or split screen capabilities. And you can also use the emojis, which I thought was really cute. Alright guys, so that is the end of that unboxing and little mini review. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and wherever else the buttons may be on the screen. Be sure to also give me your video recommendations so I know what you guys want to see. If that's more tech videos, study tips, college, whatever, I'm here for you guys. So I'm going to log off now. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.